Welcome to virtual class. Dear students, now we are talking about a special rule, and a special rule is used with a special type of sentence, or in one type of sentence, one type of rule is used which is not used in another type of sentence. So as here you can see changes in sentence in indirect speech. So whenever changing the sentence from direct to indirect, as we should keep in our mind that there are basically four type of sentences. Though as I have hope you have studied five type of sentences, but here I'm talking about four types of sentences, and these four types of sentences are assertive sentence. That assertive sentence is also called declarative sentence. So with assertive sentence, one type of rule is used, one type of thing you have to do which is not applied in another type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentence requires another type of rule. In the same way, another type of sentence is interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence needs or requires another type of rule that is not used in imperative sentence. So dear student, I hope you know these four type of sentences. So these are the four type of sentence here today I'm going to talk about, and in which type of sentence, what type of structure, what type of rule is used there, that I'm going to talk here. So now let's first talk about changes in sentence in indirect speech. So now let's talk about assertive sentence. So as just I have said you that four type of sentences are there. Among them, the first one here I'm talking is assertive sentence. So whenever changing the assertive sentence into indirect speech, what we should do, that you should keep in your mind. So as here you can see assertive in assertive sentence, do all changes as it is. Just we should use told at the place of said. So as just we have talked about general rules, we have talked about change of tense, we have talked about change of person, and we have talked about change of adverbs. So these changes will be same there, but some more thing you should use here, you should do there, that I am talking. So if the sentence is assertive sentence, then in reporting a speech, if said to is there, then that said to can be changed into told, dear student. So dear student, even I hope you know that thing. Again, I would like to make you remind, or I would like to remind you about this thing. So if again I am repeating the same thing, if in the reporting speech said to is there, then said to can be changed into told. Whenever changing the direct speech into indirect speech, if sentence is assertive sentence. In the same way, say to can be changed into tell. Say to can be changed into tell, and says to can be changed into tells. So these are the things you should do, and other things are as it is. Other things are as they are, as just we have talked here regarding the change of tense, regarding change of person, and change of adverbs. So here one example I am presenting. So try to understand the example first. So here example is, he said to me, Nepal will win COVID-19. he said to me, Nepal will win COVID-19. So that is, or this is the sentence written in assertive sentence is here, and this sentence is in direct speech. So changing this sentence into indirect speech, as I have just talked that said to can be changed into told. That's why its indirect speech become, he told me that Nepal would win COVID-19. He told me that Nepal would win COVID-19. It's become indirect speech. So here, even in this example, you are seeing that said to is changed into told. Another thing is as they are, another thing as you can see here, that in a reported speech will is there, and this will is changed into would, because as just we have talked that if in the reporting speech past tense is there and in reported speech will as a model verb is there, then will should be changed into would. That's why here will is changed into would, dear students. So this is about assertive sentence. I hope, dear student, you have understood it. Now let's talk about another type of sentence. And again, sometime tenses are not only in affirmative form, sometime the sentence might be in negative form. So either sentences are in affirmative form or negative form, you should do in the same way. If the sentence is in affirmative, then you should change the given statement into affirmative form. If the sentence is in negative form, then you should change it into negative form, dear student. And I hope that you can do it yourself, because you have studied about this thing as you have studied there. So dear student, even time is over. So thank you, my dear student. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.